Hello, good morning. Sobke welcome gure ase achi laga khobor janai de ase. Deputy Chief Minister aro Minister in charge National Highway DR Zelengbra Tuesday din de 14 Nagaland Legislative Assembly laga session de kwase ke National Highway 02 Woka aro Tuyang Nudi laga rasta majot de kimanda manu khan bra kor khan banai gana ase edu khan ge government laga side pra iku compensation ni dibo ka ase malik khan ge nije laga kor khan doile voluntary bra phangai dibole laga janaise nohisho gole to kor khan doile demolish kuri dibo kose zileng bra go ase ge ido laga rasta de 2 kilometers de kor khan illegal ba banai thakia karne rasta do hoile bishi chutu hoi jase goise kor malik khan ge nije laga kor khan do hoile phangai lobi goi ase chidi fail hoise gole to government bra kor khan do hoile phangai dibo kose aro iku compensations kan do hoile nidibo kose kile mane kor do hoile illegal ba banaise kose DR Zeleng bra National Highway 02 rasta bana laka opor de update kurise physical progress to hoile 42.47% hoise aro financial progress to hoile 41.38% hoise goi ase idu laga project laga total land hoile 24 kilometer thakise gose idu rasta banabo karne Tensukia bra K Sharma contractor ke June 18 2024 ke appoint guri ke na 24 months de complete kuribole laga dishi koi ase hoile bi land owner union aro tuida wiki area khan bra land compensation opor de receive naba karne 147 days to ele kam rokhai gana rakhi dishi koi ase advisor kesuto ginimi bra November 12 2024 de intervention gora bichi de hi project to ele resume grubule parishi koise zeleng bra go ase ke kam do ele delay grina rakhi dia karne contractor ke time extension do ele dibole eligible ase gose tai aro janai de ase ki edu laga rasta de 1.5 kilometers to ele land compensation laga issue resolve nokri gana ase gose department bra district administration khan logo de kotha kuri gana edu laga rasta de ki pi tiktar ase edu khan remove kuri bole laga kam guri ase gose zeleng bra ro janai de ase ki rasta bana de delay hoi jala ka opor de contractor ke blame nokribo lage gose district administrations kambra local stakeholders kan logode kotha kuri gena ki bi issue ase edu resolve kuri gena project to ele age lui jabo karni akha ase kwala janasha Nagaland Government Teacher Association 2010 aro 13 laga page kanbra Directorate of School Education Office Kohima de andolan guri thakia upor de Nagaland Student Federation aro Eastern Nagaland Student Federations kan laga intervention bra andolan gura to ele hold de rakishi koi ase Teachers kan bra Democratic Rasta bra protest kura to hele February 26 ba suru grishe takhan laga demand to hele takhan laga tangkha do hele centrally sponsored scheme bra state non plan budget te ship kuri bole demand kuri kana ahishe student body laga tuida apex kan protesting teachers kan logote lok kori kana takhan laga mamla to hele government logote kotha kuri bole laga asor kurishi koi ase tuida student federation bra teachers kan ge request kurishi ki student laga interest opor de teacher laga respective classroom de wapas jabole laga bi janai dishe January 7 2023 de Seminyo de Tirilo Audio Ali Lucky Kenge Moraidia laga case connection de principal district session judge Kohima bra March 2 de accused manu Louis Kenge 7 years jail de rakhibole laga saza dishe goi ase court bra accused ke Indian Penal Code laga section 304 part 1 opor de convict thakishe goi ase accused opor de 5 accused ke 5000 fine bi mangishe aro chidi fine dera nai goshe gole to aro exal additional jail de rakhibole labi janashe goshe special public prosecutor L Sashimongla chamye bro ko asiki case to hele Seminyo police station kanbra investigation gurishe ko ase trial gura humoi de trap prosecution witness kan ge examine gurishe goshe oral medical aro documentary evidence laga hisab de iku tout na thaki kana accused ke guilty kurubole parishe goshe janibole bara do hoile accused manu do hoile murija manu laka mutta thakishe goshe Commissioner of Police Timabur bra Nagaland Police Constable laga interview lobole laga teto ele reschedule kurishe ko ase notification issue kura ke Commissioner of Police ba ko ase ke February 27 de notice ti thakia ke modify kuri gena itia interview to hele commissioner of police Dimapur office te lobole ase gushe candidates kan do hele tuida page ke divide kuri gena thakibo gushe first page kan do hele 9 am bra CB office conference hall de ai jabo lagi gushe aro idu laka same jaga de second page kan do hele 12 noon de aibo lagi gushe interview do hele March 9 10 aro 11 de lobole ase gushe Deputy Commissioner Chumukidima Bragwa Seke Chumukidima District te Kimanda Coaching Center kan khuli gana ase etu kan ge registration guribo karne official order do janai dishe Government of Nagaland laka guidelines for registration and regulations of coaching center notification laka hisab te March 3 de DC bra directive to ele issue gurishe sob coaching centers kan ke 31st March nohwa age de registration guri lobole laka janai dishe registration do hoile 5000 hobo gushe aro renewal do hoile 2000 hobo lage gushe Home Department laga channel administrative branch kambra notification issue kura ke Nagaland laga tuita puste laga nam do hoile putle guri dishe goy ase edu do hoile Samudu district laga under de Sutuku pusti do hoile etia Tusutuku pusti goina replace kurishe goy ase aro Mon district laga under de Choknyu pusti thaka do hoile Choksu goigana putle guri dishe gushe Meghalaya de Joagali Tuesday de Guwahati bra tuichun chokra pani bitor de tupigana muri jeshe go ase incidents to ele Kanabati waterfall Meghalaya de hoishe go ase preliminary report laga hisab de Guwahati bra pension friends to ele holiday trip karne jaishe go ase pani bitor de taikhan jaiga na kau dalai thakia homoi de achanak pra tuita chokra to hoile harai jeshe go ase takhan laga friends pra taichon ke besarishe hoile be trace kurule para nai idu biche de hi authorities kan ke alert kurishe go ase National Disaster Response Force State Disaster Response Force aro Meghalaya aro Assam laga police kat melai gana rescue operation do ele suru kurishe go ase aro dead body do hele recover kurishe go na janai dishe authorities kan bra tuida murija manu laga nam do ele identify kurishe taijon laga nam do ele Chairani Wari aro Winak Putu koina janibole parishe ajila khobor do iman de rakhi di ase chiji kumba manu nutun sai thakile morom bra subscribe like aro share kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase